Hello kids, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to our channel Kiddie Club. Today we are diving into the letter E. Are you ready for it? Let's start learning together. First, let's trace the letter E together, capital E. Let's trace the second letter E together, capital E. And now, let's trace the third letter E together, capital E. Good job. Now let's trace the letter E together, small e. Let's trace the second letter E together, small e. Finally, let's trace the third letter E together, small e. Great work. Kids, now you have to find the egg with an E and circle it. Great job. You found the E egg. Let's circle it and move on. Now we learn some vocabulary. E is for elephant. What a big animal. Repeat with me. Elephant. Elephant. E is for eagle. Let's all say eagle together. Eagle. E is also for egg. Can you say egg with me? Egg. Look at that envelope. E is for envelope. Let's say it together. Envelope. And here's an eraser. Can you say eraser with me? Eraser. You all did an amazing job. We had so much fun with E today. Let's wave goodbye to our alphabet friends. See you next time, kiddies. Goodbye.